This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of text in Google Slides. Here I have a slideshow, which is from a template, and let's suppose I want to change the color of this text that says business plan presentation. There are two ways to do that. The first way to do that is to highlight the text that you want to change, then go to the top where it says format, then select text, then select color, and then from there, select your desired color. You can either choose colors here that match the theme or presentation that you're using, or you can select colors from this set of colors, or you can be very specific by clicking on custom color, where you are able to type the hex code, the RGB numbers, or use this slider to find the specific color that you want, or use the eyedropper tool by clicking on it and then dragging anywhere on the screen to select the color that you want. So I'm just going to use the eyedropper tool, and then I'm going to click. And now it's given me the color that the text will be replaced with. Then I select OK, and then the color is changed. Before we get into the second way of changing the color of your text, please hit that subscribe button to view more videos like this in the future. The second way to change the color of your text in Google Slides is to highlight the text, and then go up here to this menu, and you're going to look for this A with a line under it, and that is where you can change the text color. And you will get that same box that you got when you selected Format, Text, and Color. And here you can change the color exactly the way that I explained previously. And now I'm just going to make the text white. And now the text has been changed back to white. So this video shows you how to change the color of text in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.